Hi guys, it's me again, JDT. Welcome back. So I haven't been able to upload a lot, but hopefully I can upload this as soon as I can. So today is going to be your network gathering plus water baptismal. So I'm gonna be part of the water baptism today. And syempre, we expect so much from the grace of the Lord. So ayun, samahan niyo ako. I'm gonna take you with me again, just like I did during our opening day at Heels of Glory Clark. But this time, I'm gonna be taking you with me during our network gathering. So it's gonna be a combined gathering under Pastor Ikes, of course, and Pastor King. I'm not sure who else are gonna be there, but I've seen a few names on the list, and right now pala I'm on my way to pick up my friend Joff as well, and hindi na daw siya magdadala ng sasakyan, so siya na lang yung dadaanan ko. Ayan, so yan, I'll see you guys later. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay? Hi guys, so nasa gas station lang tayo. Nagpapagas. Medyo malapit na tayo sa bahay ng kaibigan ko, so it's just going to be a few kilometers away. Actually, nandito na ako. Malapit na ako. Just pagas lang tayo ng konti pa. Lalaban si Maddie. Ayan, hi guys. I'm still back here. So, andito na tayo sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. So, dyan yung bahay niya. Ayan. Actually. So, we're just gonna wait for him to come out and we'll head straight to the location. Ayan. Nasaan na ba siya? Ayan na siya. Nagilo ka sa vlog, oh. Hi.
Hello!
Ayan.
Mainit!
Ayan na po siya.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello everyone! Ay!
Hi. Ayan. So, paalis na kami. I'll keep you guys posted when we get there, when we get to the location. For now, I'm gonna have to start driving. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so andito na kami sa location. Kararating lang namin, ayan yung location.
Mali yata. Ano yung location?
Ito yung location. Sila Pastor Ikes at saka si Pastor King. Ayan, kakapark lang namin. So, ayan. Samahan niyo ako. I'm gonna tour you guys dun sa location.
Jackson!
Tingnan natin. Medyo, hindi pa ako sanay. Pero, tingnan natin. Let's see what's gonna happen today. Okay? I'll see you. Update. So, magsisimula yung network gathering program ng Resdos 2 to 3. And then by 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. yan yung water baptism natin. And then 4 to 4:45 p.m. meron tayong getting to know activities. So basically, lahat ng mga kasama sa network gathering, makakasama natin. Ayan. And then by 4:45 to 6 p.m. Dinner. Then 6 to 8. Kai! Si Kai ba yan? Ayan. 6 to 8, yan, swimming fellowship. Sa mga gustong swimming. Ayan. And then 8 to 9 p.m. may tutorial and restoration. And then 8 to 9. Ayan. Sasama ko kayo mamaya sa praise and worship. And then, syempre, sama ko rin kayo during the water baptism. Thank you guys. I'll see you later. Pagilo ko nga, nagpapasama ko.
And by the time she wakes, I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, she never said a thing about Jesus.
Challenges, may mga struggles minsan.
I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawn's bed. I just wanna speak the name of Jesus over fear and all anxiety. To every soul held captive by depression, I speak Jesus. God is in this story. God is in the details. Even in the broken parts, He holds my heart. He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus. Oh.
Congratulations!
And hello guys, hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina katatapos lang namin mag-dinner. And I'm not sure what else is going to be the part of the next program. But we're about to part ways kasi may trabaho pa tayo mamaya. But thank you guys so much. Hey! Say bye! Sa Pilipinas. Nasa Pilipinas na talaga tayo. Ayan po sila. Ay mga kapatid natin sa Gatekeeper. Join a life group today. Ayan.
Join life
Group today. Ayan. Alright. Maraming salamat guys. I will see you guys in the next video and hopefully we can upload more content that is going to be worthy for you guys to watch and to look forward to. Ayan. God bless sa inyong lahat.
cheese.